Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Wealthwise. Today we have come up with the three companies, that is Varun Beverages, CDSL and Tata Elxsi. From the date of our recommendation to the current market price, they have turned out to be multi-bagger stocks. Before going ahead, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Wealthwise. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Coming to our first company, Varun Beverages, we had recommended the stock on 1st June 2020 at a market price of just 634. Year on year, the company has given a bonus ratio of 1:2. That is, for example, if you have 100 shares, it has given 50 shares as a bonus. Year on year, the company has also given an interim dividend of Rs 2.5 in 22, 21, 2020, 2019 and 2018. Currently, the Varun Beverages market price as on 5th of August 2022 is 1022. If you had bought the stock around 5th June 2020 and with the current market price of 1022, there would have been almost return of 264%. Let's look at the calculation part of Varun Beverages and how it became a multi-bagger stock in just 2 years, giving a return of 264%. If you had invested an amount of rupees 1 lakh as on 1st June 2020, it would have got you 158 shares. Along with the bonus year on year, that is at the ratio of 1:2, the total amount of shares have grown up to 355 quantities. Company had also given a dividend of rupees 2.5 year on year, and which cumulates to 1875, that is 1875 rupees. Just to compel the gist of the investment growth, 1st June 2020 the market price of 634 and the investment amount of 1 lakh rupees has now turned out to be 3,62,827 with the current market price of 1022 and having total quantity of shares as 355. So it has given almost 264% of return plus the dividend value. Coming to our next stock, that is CDSL. We had recommended the stock on 13th of July 2020. If we go with the same theory of investing an amount of rupees 1 lakh as on 13th July 2020, the company gave an 52-week and all-time high of 1735 on 15th of December 2021, which accumulates to the growth of 540%. The stock became a multi-bagger, giving a return of rupees 6,41,950 rupees. But if we look at the current market price, it is still soaring high at 4,26,610, also giving us a current return of 426%. So, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees back on 2020, it has turned out to be at the current market price of 4,26,000, which is still a multi-bagging stock. Coming to our favorite stock, that is Tata Elxsi. We had recommended the stock on 19th of March 2020, and if you had invested an amount of rupees 1 lakh at the market price of 640, today, as on 5th of August 2020, the market price has grown to 9,310, that is giving us almost 1500% of return, and which accumulates to the amount of 14,52,306. One of our friend had invested a small amount of 12,300, which has now turned to be the value worth of 1,86,251. As you can see, even a small drop of investment has turned out to be of a great value within 2 years. We had also recommended the stock back in the last week at the rate of 8285, and still within 1 week the share has grown to 10% more. On our Telegram group, we had also shared our sector-wise analysis. As we had shared on June 28th that if Nifty FMCG breaks out a major hurdle, then it is gonna be a big boom. And yes, in a week later time, when the Nifty it broke its major hurdle resistance, the market went up and Nifty FMCG went up to 40,740. This was the technical chart that we shared on our Telegram group, showing that we not only believe on the informational outbreak of the news but also do the technical analysis of the shares. So guys, do not forget to connect with us on our YouTube, Telegram and WhatsApp channel. For day-to-day updates and to grow together, please join our Telegram group. I have shared the link on the description. Also, all data is for educational purpose. Please connect your investment advisor prior to investing. Do not forget to like our video, which will motivate us to grow together. Thank you.